Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to change GMC Terrain key fob battery. Pry open the fob seam gently with a flat tool, keeping tabs aligned to avoid damage. Remove the old CR2032 battery using a non-metallic tool if possible, and note battery orientation. Clean contacts with a dry cloth. Insert the new CR2032, ensuring the plus side faces up. Then snap the case closed. Start by locating the notch along the key fob seam and insert a small flat tool to gently separate the two halves. Remove the old battery and observe whether the positive side faced up or down so you can match orientation with the new CR2032. After inserting the new battery, align the case halves and press firmly until they click together, then test the lock, unlock, and remote start functions to confirm success. If the key fob does not respond after a battery swap, first reopen and reseat the battery, making sure contacts are clean and flush. Inspect for corrosion and use a pencil eraser to remove light buildup if needed, then retest. If issues persist, try another fresh CR2032 from a trusted brand, and if that still fails, reprogramming or professional diagnostics at a dealership may be the next step to restore reliable remote operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.